to the next video. In today's video I will show you how to read SMS from a user's device inside your own app. So here you can see that I have opened the SMS app and I just have one message. Okay, so I have just sent to this number a hello message. Now what I will do is I will run my own app. Firstly, be very careful, don't try to read the user's SMS. This is not a really good practice. Even if you do, the user can easily deny it, but here I will just allow it, and I will show you inside Logcat all the messages. So I just have one message inside my emulator. If I just click on allow, here you can see the sender as well as the message. So yeah, this will be the video of it. And I won't be making a video for native iOS because iOS don't support this, which I think which is a really good thing. Even Android should remove it, I think. But anyways, one of the user had commented on the other video which I had made that he wanted to learn about SMS, so that's why I'm making this video. So firstly, inside Android manifest.xml, just add this uses feature equal to false and uses permission of read SMS. Okay, next inside layout, I have not done anything. Like, this is just simple layout. I'm just logging it to the console. And inside build.gradle also I have not added anything. Next, inside main activity.kt, firstly I'm requesting for the permission. So here you can see I'm requesting for permission. If granted, then I'm calling this read SMS. If not, I'm just displaying a toast message. And inside on create, here you can see I'm doing request permission.launch and I'm passing this read SMS permission. And if you go to read SMS, we just have a content resolver. Like, we don't even need this. We can run directly like this: content resolver.query, then telephony.sms.content URI, and this can be null. If you want, you can add this projection, selection hours, or sort order as well, but I don't need this. And if then we just have to loop through this. So if cursor not equal to null and cursor dot move to first, here you will get the address, like get column, index, or row, SMS dot address, and here you will get the body for the SMS. And here you can see I'm just adding the center would be your address, like the telephone number, and message would be your body. So yeah, that's it. And here you can add it inside your list. So here you will get a list. I only had one SMS, that's why it showed only one. But if you have a long list of SMS messages, then you should add it inside a list, and then you might be planning to display it inside a Jetpack Compose list view or an recycler view, which you can do that easily. So yeah, thank you, bye.